Guys, this Sunday morning, almost this Sunday afternoon, depending on where you are. If you're in Caymans, it's Sunday morning. If you're in Ghana, it's Sunday afternoon. So basically, I just want to take advantage and talk about this chart on BTC using what we have learned so far, so that you guys can start using same anytime you look at the chart. So BTC has been on a downtrend. So you can see that it's forming a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low till BTC got here. When it got here and it formed a low, then it forms, you can even assume that this is even a what? A lower high, if you want. But you expect that after formation of a lower high, BTC should go down and form another lower low that is breaking a structure to the downside. But that did not happen. After BTC created this high or lower high, it came here and created a higher low. This low is a higher low because it is higher than this low. And since then, price has tried to go up, but we have not formed a higher high yet. But this price led to what I call an impulsive move. Okay, led to an impulsive move here. So this bullish candle here, this is a 1 hour chart. It's an impulsive move. So once I see impulsive move, then my antenna and senses are just getting activated to look for, is there an order block somewhere? Then the answer is yes, there's an order block here. And we were taught how to identify a high probable order block going through certain parameters or criteria, which I have written over here. Okay, so for clarity, the first is for you identify the candlesticks before an impulsive move, which is this candlestick, this bearish candle here before this impulsive move. You've identified it, highlight it, and extend it to the right side. Okay. Now, the next question is, it must leave a gap. So there's a gap there. Let me enlarge it for you to appreciate a gap. There's a gap. There's a gap between the last candle here and the last candle here. So that is a gap. That's what we call the fair value gap. That is what we call the fair value gap. So you can see that price tapped into the fair value gap. At times, price tap into the fair value gap, it may go up. Other times, it tap into the fair value gap, responds or reacts, then later come down proper into the order block. Whatever it does, we are already in the trade, or we should be getting into the trade by now. Okay. So we go to the next parameter, which is this must lead to a break of structure. You can see that this impulsive move led to a break of structure here. Let me mark it for you to see it clearly. Break of structure. Now let me make it small because it's a bit big. Let me make it 10. So it led to a break of structure. That is a break of structure. This is an internal break of structure. Okay. The swing break of structure is all the way up here. So this is break of structure here. Then the zone must be unmitigated. This is the zone we've highlighted. Unmitigated means the zone must be fresh. The zone must not be touched. So far, the zone hasn't been touched yet. This bearish candle tried to touch it, but it didn't really touch it. So the zone has not been touched yet. It's the zone, the fair value gap has been mitigated, but the order block zone has not been mitigated yet. Then the other parameter or criteria is that the candle that represents the order block should close below the previous candle in the setting of a bullish order block. So this candle here closed below this. So this is a high probable order block. So we are waiting for price to mitigate it, then we'll buy. So these are my humble thoughts this morning. And I want to bring it to your attention so that you guys can practice it. It's basically based on we using market structure and combining market structure with order block. And I also applied my fib. So this is a swing high, swing low to the swing high here. So swing low, swing high. I pull my fib, extend it, and the golden zone is somewhere here. between 0.618 and 0.78. So I'm expecting that BTC will come a bit closer into the golden zone before we go up. But nothing is cast in stone. You just react to what price shows you. Okay. So basically, these are my thoughts on BTC for today, based on what we've learned so far. And I thought I should share it with you guys. You see, I didn't bring trend line in here. However, we can draw a trend line here, but I didn't bring a trend line in here. If I want to make it fun, let me just draw a trend line. Let me just draw a trend line. Remember, trend line is just joining 2 points. So on a downtrend, we are joining what? At least 2 lower highs. At least 2. So that's a trend line. Okay. So guys, basically these are my thoughts on BTC for now. Let's see how it plays out. Every opportunity is a learning curve. You must always be prepared to learn. Even for us mentors, we are always learning. There's always something the market can teach you, no matter your level of trading experience. So guys, I hope this is useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.